Hi, I'll be making upma muthia today. Muthia is a traditional Gujarati snack. It's quite similar to a dhokla, and in this we'll be tempering it with a little tadka. So to start with, let's put some water for boiling. We just need to fill it less than half. That's it. Cover it with the lid so it happens fast. While the water is getting hot, I'll prepare the batter. I'll be using the MTR upma mix. We'll be taking about half a cup of this mixture. To this, I'll add 1 cup of besan, and about 3 tablespoons of oil. I'll add about 1.5 tablespoons of kasuri methi. Kasuri methi has a very distinct flavor and it really enhances the flavor of the dish. I'll add some green chilies, some chopped coriander, and about half a teaspoon of soda bicarb. Mix in about a cup of water. We just need a thick batter. By using this MTR upma mix, making muthia becomes very delicious and convenient because a lot of things are already added into the upma mix like chana dal, ginger, curry leaves, mustard seeds, and they really add to the flavor of the muthia. Make sure when you make the batter, don't let it stand for very long because the soda bicarb will start acting as soon as it comes in contact with water. Check the water. Wow, it's boiling nicely. So it's time to put the muthia. You need to grease the pan that you're going to be putting the muthia in. Grease it very nicely because you don't want the muthia to get stuck. I've greased it on all corners and sides. Now we'll just pour the mixture into the pan. Just shake it to evenly spread it in the pan. There. Just put on the steamer. We put this in the steamer and cover it with the lid and let it be on medium flame for about 15 minutes. And let me check the muthia. Oh, it's done and it looks set and nice. I think it's time to put the flame off. And we just let it stand for about 5 to 10 minutes because it's very hot, so be very careful when you take it out. And the muthia is ready. I'll just have to give it a nice cut on the sides because we want it to come out nice and smooth without breaking. This is the stage when you realize the importance of greasing your pan very nicely. Your muthia will come out very easily. There. And remember, you should always cut it when it's a little cool because if you cut it when it's hot, it'll start breaking. So I'll just cut it. If you feel it's breaking, don't cut it, wait for another 5 minutes and then cut it. There. As you can see, it's risen so nicely. It's because of the soda bicarb that I had put. Now to finish it off, I'll be preparing a tempering. Take a little bit of oil in the pan. There. Muthia is a very easy and a very nice and light snack to have. As you had seen, I had put kasuri methi, I had put coriander, I had put the besan, the suji, the upma mix, a lot of flavors added and it'll turn out very delicious. Now I'll just add some mustard seeds to it. We want the mustard seeds to splatter. As you can see, they've started splattering. I'll just add 2 whole red chilies to it. About a tablespoon of sesame seeds, that's til. And to this, I'll add a few curry leaves. Some more of it. And as you can see, it's looking lovely too. The Upma Muthia is ready to serve.